Hello everybody, welcome to Zyber Organics YouTube channel. This is your host and also the founder of Zyber Organics, Tunayone. Hi! So, in this fourth video, we're going to make a lovely moisturizing and skin nourishing hand balm. As you know, Mother's Day is coming and this will be a perfect handmade gift to your mom. The ingredients I chose for this hand balm are super nourishing and also helps with the skin aging and any kind of blemishing, as the skin ages. So let's start. As always, I've geared up. I got my gloves on and I got my little green hat to keep any hair from falling. So let's go. Before I introduce the lovely ingredients for today, I would like to point out that you can use alternative ingredients, which I'll point out as we go. So today's ingredients are cocoa butter, mango butter, fruit, we're gonna have wax, a couple of oils, and a couple of essential oils, and as you know, we need an antioxidant. As always, we're going to use a vitamin E. Today I chose cocoa butter and the mango butter. Cocoa butter is known for its skin nourishment. If you don't have cocoa butter, you can also use shea butter or any other kind of whatever butter is available to you. I also chose mango butter. Mango butter is known for extreme skin nourishment and also has a natural sun protection as well. So it'll be good for, it'll be very skin nourishing ingredients, these two. Next, we're going to add wax. You don't, if this is a fruit wax, but you don't have to use this one. You can also use beeswax, or if you have other alternative waxes. So you will need this. Next, I have the oat oil. Again, if you don't have oat oil, you can use alternative ingredients. I chose oat oil just because it has skin inflammatory properties, and also it's known for anti-itching and antibacterial properties. Next, we have the Calendula infused oil, which is again is known for skin repairing properties. And next, we have safflower oil. Again, if you don't have this one, you can use alternative oils such as sweet almond or apricot kernel. Safflower oil is known for its super skin moisturizing properties, especially if you have very dry skin. Safflower is one of the oils to use. And lastly, we have our essential oils. Today I'm going to use a mix of orange sweet oil, lovely Ramon chamomile oil. This oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it has a really sweet floral scent. And lastly, we have the frankincense. Again, it has the anti-inflammatory properties, and frankincense kind of blends very nicely with sweet orange and chamomile. So let's start. So you'll need a pan and fill it halfway through the water so the water can get warm. We're not going to put the ingredients directly in the water, as you know that will not going to work. Don't let it boil, because boiling is going to really damage. If you make the water really hot, again, it's not going to be safe for you, and it's also not going to damage the ingredients, because some ingredients are heat sensitive. I would suggest for you to get also, if you can find 2 cups or like 2 beakers like this. Once the water is warm, we are going to place one of these beakers into the water to melt our ingredients. So while we're waiting for the water to get warm, let's input our ingredients. I got my scale and I'm going to place my beaker and I'm going to tare it. And we're going to use 20 grams of cocoa butter. Okay, so I got around 20 grams, so I got my cocoa butter. Next, I'm going to use my mango butter. So we have the mango butter and the cocoa butter, so we got that. Next, we're going to input our wax, 15 grams of wax. So this needs melting, so let's put that in here. Water, yeah. So let's wait while the wax and butter melts together. Next, we're going to make our oils. 18 grams of safflower, 10 grams of calendula infused oil, so let's add that. Or 5 grams of oat oil. Now, gorgeous color. So let's mix these together. Okay, Right, so our wax is melting, as you can see. It's getting low. Okay, so let's just mix them a little bit. See how they're doing. It's becoming really nice. That still needs a bit of melting. It's still not fully mixed, as you can see. I love using glass rods. I think they're so cool. It kind of makes you feel like a scientific person, but it just, you know, I just love using them. I'm gonna put a link down below where you can get them. So it kind of gives that, you know, technical lab vibe, but they're really, really easy to use as well. So I really love them. So our wax and butter mixture is now melted. As you can see, it's become fully liquid. So we can slowly add these into, we can slowly mix our oils into the mixture. But let's take this out of the heat first and let it cool down. Okay. We can also check its temperature. It's around 7 to 5 degrees, so it's okay. Let it cool down a little bit. And let's warm up our oils as well, just a little bit, just to so that the wax doesn't have a cold shock. Okay, our wax mixture is melted, so let's add these into, combine them. Okay. Our lovely precious oils are here. Blend it. Now, before wax cools down, let's add our essential oils and our vitamin E. So let's put this on quickly. So we're gonna need 1% vitamin E. So 1 gram. Okay. All right. Very good. And now we're gonna put our essential oil. Okay. And next we're gonna put frankincense oil. There we go. And we need lastly, we need that sweet chamomile essential oil. Okay. Let's give it a last stir. I can really smell the chamomile. Chamomile is really powerful. Okay. So the wax is cooling down. As you can see, it's sort of getting a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can see it, but it is getting a little bit thicker. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour this into our jar. So pour it. Okay, it's cool. There's some bubbles in it, so I'm just gonna gently tap it to get rid of any bubbles. Okay, you can also do a little bit of mix. We're going to let this cool down and I'll come back to you in 20 minutes. Back with our balm. As you can see, it's solidified quite nicely. This is now 20 minutes, 30 minutes later. It's got a good texture as well. It's quite thick, and let's give it a try of how it feels. It's still a bit solid, you know, but let's get it started. As you can see, it's like that. I'm just do a little bit test. It's very smooth. It's because it's butter, so it easily melts, you know. So it smells really good. It's that chamomile and orange sort of floral and citrusy scent. So it's really good for your hands, you know. So for your mom, if you're going to do a DIY, do this nice handmade gift. I think she will really appreciate it. Also for her, you know, aging skin, you know, for her blemishes, it'll be really, really moisturizing and nourishing for her. So, you know, it's, you can do a little bit more as well. Put a bit more here. Right. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you next week for our next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Bye.